Question 1e. Use the substitution u equals x²+1 to evaluate the definite integral of x over x²+1 cubed dx from x equals 0 to x equals 2. The following are the marking guidelines for question 1e. For 1 mark, we have demonstrates some understanding of the process of integration by substitution, so for example, correct change of limits or the use of du dx equals 2x. For 2 marks, we have correct apart from a single error, such as not changing the limits or incorrectly dealing with the 2 in du dx equals 2x. And for 3 marks, we have the correct answer or equivalent numerical expression. Starting with the substitution u equals x²+1, we have du dx is equal to 2x. Multiplying both sides by dx and then dividing both sides by 2, we have half du is equal to x dx. And the reason why it's expressed this way is because the x dx in the integrand is going to be replaced with half du. Next, we need to change the limits of integration to represent the values of u using the substitution. So when x equals 0, substituting 0 into the substitution here, we have u equals 1. And when x equals 2, we have u equals 5. Hence, the integral from x equals 0 to x equals 2 of x over x²+1 all cubed dx is equal to half multiplied by the definite integral from u equals 1 to u equals 5 of du over u cubed, which equals half of the definite integral from u equals 1 to u equals 5 of u to the power of negative 3 du, so expressing this integrand here using a negative index, and integrating u to the power of negative 3 with respect to u, we have half outside of u to the power of negative 2 over negative 2 from u equals 1 to u equals 5. Finally, we apply the limits of integration, so that equals half outside of 5 to the power of negative 2 over negative 2 minus 1 to the power of negative 2 over negative 2, and that evaluates to 6 over 25. Here are the notes from the marking center. There were some candidates who clearly did not understand the process of integration by substitution and were unable to obtain an integral involving only the variable u. Common mistakes were incorrectly dealing with the 2 in du dx equals 2x and incorrectly integrating the integral of du over 2u cubed and not changing the limits of integration.